Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. Hey, listen, a couple of years ago I changed the way I do my brackets. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, I was using the L brackets and I would notch out behind the cedar on the walls, and that's how we did it. Well, I changed it up. We're now using a flat bracket, and we're routering it into the frame. So I promised a bunch of you guys I would make a video earlier this summer. I totally forgot, but we're building this bar for a guy in New Jersey, and it's actually an interior bar, and it's bamboo, the stuff I hate the most. But this bar comes completely apart so we can get it into his condo. So, but since we're doing the brackets, I'm going to make a video show you guys how to do the brackets. So I'm going to turn the camera around, and Daniel's got the router ready to go, and I'll show you how it's done. All right, guys, so first off, we use these 12-inch mending brackets. They're pretty solid, they're pretty thick, they're heavy, really durable. They really stabilize the bar top. So we use a 12-inch. So Daniel already got a couple routed here, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So what we did is we made a jig. Oh, we already screwed it in. I told you not to screw it in. What? We got to work on our communication here, Daniel. Daniel needs to learn English. So anyway, all right, hold that, Daniel. So what I do is I just mark out pretty much where I want Daniel to put them. So that would be the center of my bracket. So we made this jig. So Daniel will just center that jig on where my marks are, and just screw it in, temporarily screw it in, put it back in the same holes he took it out of. And we made the jig to fit the size router we're using, which is just basically, this is just a small trim router. That's all it is. So all Daniel's going to do is go right around the inside of the jig. All right, and that's pretty much it. It's that simple. It's actually much easier than notching out everywhere I put a bracket, because when we use the L brackets, there would be one on the inside, one on the outside, one on the inside, one on the out, all the way around. So I would have to notch out the back of every one of those cedar planks. But now all we do is we lay the bracket in there, we screw it in, and it's still got pretty much the same overhang as before. So we just screw in from underneath to the bar top, and it's secured down. Plus I started, this is probably in 2021, 22, when I had no help in the shop and it was just me, and I'm building these massive bar tops, and I had to come up with a way to be able to maneuver and put these bar tops on by myself. And some of these bar tops are a good 400 pounds. So, and typically we would have poles coming out of the bar like you see in my island hopper there. So for me to do that by myself, it was a little tricky. So what we started doing, I used to build all the bar tops on the table. I'd have a bunch of friends come over, probably 4 or 5 of them. We would lift it up over the poles and set it in place. But now what we do is we pre-cut the plywood to the size that we need, and we'll actually screw the bottom of we'll screw the plywood down to the frame of the bar. And then what we'll do is we glue and attach the upper part of the bar top, which my standard is a pine panel, a laminated pine panel. And we could do it that way, and that way I could do it by myself if I need to. So, and doing the brackets this way is much easier too. So the brackets don't have to go on until we're ready to do the bar top. That way when you're walking past them, you're not cutting your back walking into them, because I've walked into them several times before and they leave a nice scar. So by doing it this way, the brackets don't go on until you're ready to put the bar top on. So, all right, well, I hope that helps. I hope I wasn't talking too fast for you guys. And thanks to my assistant Daniel there for helping out. So we're going to finish this and get on our way. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. If you like my content, please like, follow, and share. All right, from Tiki Kev Shop, Tiki Kev out.